Imagine a factory where the final product looks like normal glasses, but inside the frame is a tiny wearable computer powered by artificial intelligence.
Field test initiated. AI smart glasses activating. Object recognition and audio capture are now active. Real-time HUD updates are functioning correctly. Test successful, proceeding with data analysis.
These are AI smart glasses. They can take photos, record video, hear voice commands, connect to your phone, translate speech, give directions, and in advanced versions show digital information directly in front of your eyes. But making them is difficult because every part must fit inside a frame that sits comfortably on the human face. The process begins in the design studio. Engineers create the frame shape, temple thickness, camera position, microphone openings, speaker location, batteries, processor board, antennas, lenses, and charging contacts. The glasses must be lightweight, balanced, stylish, and strong enough for daily use. Before production begins, engineers test the design digitally. They check weight balance, frame strength, heat movement, wireless signal, camera angle, and battery position. Once approved, materials arrive at the factory. Plastic resin, acetate sheets, metal hinges, lens blanks, camera modules, microphones, speakers, AI chips, flexible circuit boards, batteries, antennas, and charging pins are scanned and inspected. The first physical stage is frame production. Injection molding machines produce front frames and temple arms, while premium versions may be cut from acetate using CNC machines. The parts are trimmed, polished, and checked for scratches, weak hinges, and exact dimensions. Next, the lenses are made. Clear, tinted, or prescription-compatible lens blanks are cut to shape, polished, and coated for scratch resistance, anti-reflection, and UV protection. For AR smart glasses, waveguide lenses are inspected carefully because dust or distortion can affect the display. If the glasses include a display, technicians assemble the microdisplay and optical engine. Tiny screens, mirrors, projection lenses, and flexible cables are aligned under magnification. This stage must be precise because a small error can make the image blurry. Now the factory moves into electronics assembly.
The CNC is cutting the front frames. Dust extraction is working perfectly. This batch of frames is almost complete. The molding is precise. Let's check the electronic channels. Internal wiring looks good. Passing inspection. Initiating lens coating cycle. Racks are moving in smoothly. Applying the anti-reflective and scratch-resistant layers. Coating is uniform, cycle complete.
Alignment on this one is off. Checking for defects. Understood. Bringing the next batch now. Place it here. I'll start on it. Done. Any issues on the first? Let's check the initial alignment. Adjusting the lens now. Monitor is responding well. Final tweak. Looks good.
Robotic machines place processors, memory chips, wireless modules, power management chips, resistors, and connectors onto miniature circuit boards. The boards pass through soldering ovens, then optical cameras check the solder joints. Flexible circuit boards are prepared next. These bendable circuits run through the arms and connect the camera, microphones, speakers, sensors, processor, battery, and charging system. Next, technicians install the AI processor and wireless systems. The AI chip must handle camera input, voice commands, audio processing, and assistant features while using little power and creating little heat. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antennas are fitted into the frame arms and tested for signal strength. Then the camera system is installed. A tiny camera module is aligned into the front corner of the frame so it captures what the wearer is looking toward. Microphones are placed around the frame to capture speech clearly. Open-ear speakers are fitted into the temple arms so the wearer can hear audio without blocking outside sound. The battery is one of the hardest parts. It must be tiny, safe, lightweight, and strong enough to power the camera, speakers, microphones, wireless chips, processor, and display.
Voltage stable at 3.85 volts. Safety parameters are within range. This batch is cleared. Next.
Charge cycle complete, initiating discharge.
Sensors are live, monitoring thermal response. Data looks stable, continuing the cycle.
Miniature lithium batteries are installed inside the temple arms and connected to protection circuits. Now, final assembly begins. The lenses are inserted into the frame. The temple arms are attached. Flexible cables are connected. Hinges are secured. The frame covers are closed. Tiny screws are tightened with precision tools. At this stage, the glasses look complete, but they are not ready for customers yet. They go through software installation and calibration. Factory computers load the firmware, test the camera, tune microphones, check speakers, pair wireless connection, configure touch controls, and verify battery health. If the glasses include AR display, the projected image is aligned with the lens. Engineers check brightness, focus, position, and clarity. Then comes quality testing. The hinges open and close repeatedly. The touchpad is tapped and swiped many times. The glasses are tested in heat, humidity, dust, and rain. The camera is tested in bright and low light. Finally, every pair goes through cosmetic inspection. Technicians check for scratches, dust, lens marks, seams, weak hinges, and finishing.
AI assistant here. Frequency response is stable.
Good, let's test the open-ear speakers.
Initiating sound test now.
I hear it clearly. Boost mid-range.
Mid-range boosted. Test complete. Activating bright light test on the camera. Transitioning to low light. Observe the noise levels. Now testing color accuracy against the chart. Performance metrics are updating in real time. Starting background noise exposure. Voice pickup looks stable. Calibrating for clarity. SNR is improving. Good pickup. Test complete. Results logged.
Initiating open-ear speaker test. Checking clarity at mid-frequencies. Leakage is minimal. Excellent. Test complete. Data logged.
Humidity is building. Condensation is starting on the glass. Increasing the internal light now. The smart glasses are holding up well.
Checking for scratches and dust. Lens marks are clear, no hinge gaps. Finish is smooth. Perfect condition.
The glasses are cleaned, placed into a charging case, tested again, and packed with accessories. And that is how AI smart glasses are made inside a high-tech wearable factory.
Fit looks
These
good.
glasses are wearable AI devices designed to connect the
Connection
real world
confirmed.
with artificial
Charging indicator is
intelligence. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and comment below. Would you wear AI smart glasses every day?
Labels are clear, no damage.
Confirmed. Scanning now. Scan successful.
This one is good too.
Okay, next batch.
Stacking these AI glasses for shipment.
Got it. I'll bring the pallet closer. Clear the path, bringing the forklift in.
Path is clear.
Pallet secure.
Okay, starting the walk now.
Speed is
Glasses
clear.
are active.
Data stream is good. Keep walking.
Noticing some overlay flicker on the left. Noted. We'll check the logs.
Hey, what's on my schedule for today? Okay, send a message to the team. Looks good, thanks.
Field test initiated. AI smart glasses activating. Object recognition and audio capture are now active. Real-time HUD updates are functioning correctly. Test successful, proceeding with data analysis.